Hello everybody, I am Ritishwar, the teacher of English grammar at Shakespeare in Hazaribagh. Today our students are going to start a GD topic and the topic name is which marriage life is good, arranged marriage or love marriage. Before starting I want to say something about this center. This center is situated at Babogaon in Hazaribagh for learning English only. And now I can see that 100% those who will come here, like weaker students, those who are thinking here, I have lots of problem in English, I will learn English, yes or no. Especially for them, I want to share the most welcome for this teacher. And watch this video, and after watching this video, you have to decide here, really this center is good for you. Let's start now.
My dear friend, good afternoon to all of you. Today we have gathered here to discuss about your GT topic, and our topic is which marriage is good, love marriage or arranged marriage. According to me, marriage is a very important part of every human's life, and it's a great social institution. Every person wants to have a perfect life partner, but the criteria for choosing life partner is different, such as love marriage, arranged marriage and court marriage, and I am in the favor of arranged marriage. According to me, arranged marriage is better than love marriage because marriage is not a union of two persons. It is coming together of two families. In India, arranged marriage is famous due to many reasons, such as family support, our parents and relatives thinks about our bright future. They always help us in economic problems. In arranged marriage, our parents make wise decisions for us because they are highly experienced than us. In India, divorce cases are higher in love marriage as compared to arranged marriage. Because in love marriage, your partner have so much expectation which can't be fulfilled every time. For this reason, I can say that arranged marriage is better than love marriage because arranged marriage is more successful than love marriage. That's all.
As we know that marriage is the main part of human society, it is a universal incident and it was creates new social relationship between two people. Marriage is not always celebrated, but that day will remain in the memory of people. There are three types of marriage: love marriage, arranged marriage, and court marriage. But here, according to my opinion, love marriage is good compared to arranged marriage because love marriage is based on understanding between two people. Love marriage makes a strong relations because of they already know their feelings, behavior, character and everything. So they adjust their life in good way. That's why I can say that love marriage is good compared to arranged marriage.
According to my point of view, marriage is the very most important thing for our people and to create a new world. And also it is very important for social institution and every individual should have a perfect mind. But here I am going to say about love marriage. Love marriage is a person. In that marriage, person choose their partner themselves, while in case of arranged marriage, partner are being chosen by parents. But in love marriage, both persons know each other already and mutually decided to spend whole life with each other. And couples of love marriage is aware to each other, their nature, behavior and also dislike. That's why I can say that love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
According to my point of view, love marriage is more better than arranged marriage. In love marriage, we know all about the girl. We know very well about the girl character, behavior, and mindset of the girl. But in arranged marriage, we don't know anything about the girl with whom we are going to marry. We are just strangers. If we do love marriage, then we can protect our family and myself from future destruction. If we do love marriage, then the chances of getting good girl is very high. But in arranged marriage, there is very less chance to get a good girl and a good life partner. If we do love marriage, then my life partner will take care of my parents because he loves me a lot and he never want to see me upset and disappointed because she loves me a lot and she always want to see me happy. That's why I can say that love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
According to my opinion, getting arranged marriage is best for boys and girls. As we all are Indians belonging to the country which is known for its tradition, culture, values worldwide. And we give a lot of respect to our traditional rituals and culture. And from the ancient period, the rituals for getting married to girls and boys are arranged as by their family. As we all know that marriage is not a bonding of girls and boys alone, but a conference of two families, and this only can possible by arranged marriage. That's why getting arranged marriage is good for girls and boys.
According to my point of view, love marriage is better than arranged marriage because in love marriage we know the partners from before getting married and we know about each and everything about him, his economical background, his emotional and about each and everything about his mindset and also in love marriage there is transparency, trust, and there is no any doubt in the relationship. That's why we can easily share with our partner and in a good way that what is our problem, what is our merits and demerits, and also we can express each and everything before her or him. That's why I agree that love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
My last speaker who said here, those who people marry love marriage, they have able to understand the feeling of each other to each other. They have a stamina to attachment to each other, and they know to each other from before a marriage. For this reason, I want to say here, love marriage is not good. Love marriage life is not good. According to my opinion, arranged marriage life is good because as I say that arranged marriage life is more successful life as comparison of love marriage life, because when you will marry arranged marriage, then you will get respect from society, family. In our society consider arranged marriage is appropriate. Our parents select for their children life partner those who lack a style, economical condition, thinking power, cultural, that boys or girls are like a same, and in society have no any type of untouchability from them, and both family member are happy and their family always stand to help compare any problem. From this sub situation, they have no mentality problem to each other, and they always become a strong understanding power of that. That's why I can say that arranged marriage is good life.
I do not agree with my last speaker who said that arranged marriage is better than love marriage. I think as he said that in arranged marriage both the families of the bride and bridegrooms are happy in their relationship. So far as I know about the bride and bridegroom's family, the bridegroom's family always compel the bride family that give me that kind of thing, otherwise I will send your daughter to your own home and she will stay there till she death. That's why I do not agree. I think that in love marriage the boy or the partner has the responsibility, and he committed responsibility before getting married and after getting married, before their parents and before their friends, that she or he will spend his whole life with her or him.
I completely agree with my last speaker who said that the love marriage is good for anyone, for a girl or a boy, because he said that by love marriage we can reduce the chances of conflict between the two families, because as you all know that if we are not happy, and if we are couple and if we are not happy, then our families will create lots of fight between them, and if we are happy, then they are always in support. They are always in support of us, and if they are in support of us, then we can easily enjoy our love very easily. So I can say that love marriage is good.
With my last speaker who is saying only about the love marriage is good. We all are living in a society, and it needs respected personality to survive here. And it is shown by the good relationship, behavior and love towards their family, not only by the earning good money. And in arranged marriage, both families of the bride and the bridegroom will give a respect to each other and always on the shame for the lifetime. And here some are saying about that in love marriage they means the both partner understand each other very well. Then what do you think about your parents? Are they happy or not? If they are happy, they are wed by arranged or love, then the answer will be arranged, and they are still happy. Why? It all are the rubbish that the people are saying that only in the love marriage means only in the love marriage people arrange to their better half, their partner. This is not only about the truth, but in every marriage, after getting married, every person, and not only every person, everyone start understanding to each other, and not only about the understanding, but they have a mutual understanding that they can survive whole life with each other. And if I talk about the love marriage, what is about the love marriage? This is not about what you think about love. What is love? I can say nowadays love is only a law of attraction and nothing else.
I completely disagree with you whatever you said here, because love marriage is really a very good in for today's generation and for future generation, because it's the way to reduce the chances of the, as I told before, that it's the way to change the society. We can change our society by the love marriage. We can reduce the dowry system. We can reduce all the all the old myths which are going wrong in future generation, which are wrong for us. We can easily reduce it. We can change our generation very easily, and we can survive very happy life. And because as we all know that in arranged marriage, if you are unable to pay the dowry, then the groom's family will burn the daughter. But in love marriage there is no any case, such type of case occur. That's why I can say that love marriage is good for any bride or groom.
I am completely disagree with my last speaker who was saying that in arranged marriage we can't share our feeling to each other. You know that before marriage we get at least 1 year, and in 1 year we can know each and everything about our partner, that what is his merit and demerit and what she likes or what she doesn't like, and we can also know about her behavior, that how is she behaving and how is his communication skills, how he talk to his leader, and he has knowledge of respect and to live in discipline or not. After judging these all things, we can say that love marriage is more successful, and we can also see in India that the divorce case is more in love marriage compared to arranged marriage. Then how can you say that love marriage is more successful if the divorce rate of arranged marriage is less than love marriage?
Yeah, I completely agree with my last speaker. Whatever he said, in love marriage we know all about the girl. We know very well about the character, behavior, and mindset of the girl. But in arranged marriage we are unable to know anything about the girl. If we do love marriage, then we can protect our family and myself from future destruction. But in arranged marriage we can't do this stuff. We can't protect our family from this type of destruction. If we do love marriage, then the chances of getting good girl are very high. But in arranged marriage, there is very less chance to get a good life partner. So I can say that the love marriage is good for future for us.
I don't agree with my last speaker who said here about the arranged marriage, because arranged marriage is better than love marriage. But and if we get arranged marriage, then we will get more respect in society better than love marriage. But I am going to say here about Lord Krishna and Goddess Radha. They have fallen each other. Even they all are worshipped in our society. And I agree with my last speaker who said here about dowry system. If we get arranged marriage in our society, then our society always demands dowry, and it is too much, and it is a very big disease for our society. And especially it is very big disease for our society from them, those who have more than 4 daughters. And we all know that in our country 70% people live under poverty. So they have daughter, and how they will marry their daughter. That's why I can say that love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
I completely disagree with my last speaker who was putting the example of Lord Krishna, that he is not for love. Do you know that Lord Krishna is the best example of love? Even though he is unable to get married with Radha, then how can you say that love marriage is more successful? But you can take the example of Lord Ram. He has done arranged marriage, and his marriage life is successful. That's why I can say that love is only attraction.
I am totally agree with my last speaker who is saying that arranged marriage is the best, and some of my last speakers is saying about the Lord Krishna, means the God Lord Krishna. If I say about the Lord Krishna that he is the best example of the love, he not the best example of all he is the sign of the love. If I say he is the sign of the love, he used to run away with many of his wives. Then what do you think? We are like Lord Krishna? We have a kingdom that we can do like that? No, this is not possible. If I say to the reality, now come to the point on the reality that what is love and what is the difference between love and the arranged marriage. If I say what is in the love marriage, what people think? Yeah, you look so good, you have so much money, you have a bike, you have a car. Oh my God! And so what the boys used to say? You look so gorgeous, you are so beautiful. What do I think more? This is the enough. And after that, what will happen? If family is not agreed, if their caste is not same, if their religious is not same, then they used to run away. And after getting out of the house, what is the situation? It is known to all that the police start searching them and their lives gone vain. I can say that they have got their future. In some of the condition, if they got a good life, I can say that they have been settled down. Then we can watch the movie Sairat, and it's a Hindi remake movie. Name is I forget it, but we can watch about the Sairat. In the movie, same situation has been happened. And if I say about the arranged marriage, what is the arranged marriage? There are some saying that the in arranged marriage, partner doesn't understand each other. So what is the arranged marriage? The arranged marriage, both of the family of the bride and the bridegroom first inquire about the boys and the girls, that how his behavior, how his study is has been done, and everything, each and everything about the girls and the boys. And after getting this, they used to speak their children that, do you like him? Do you want to get marry him? Then the boys and the girls start talking to each other. If they are satisfied, then it is possible to get married. If after talking to each other, yeah, I can say that within a one interaction, I can't say that they can know each other very well. But here it is the starting of a new relation. So we have to understand it. And in the arranged marriage, we give a lots of time to understand each another. And what is about the love? Means in the love we only attracted by his beauty and nothing else, and the girls are attracted by the boy's job or business, or I think money and nothing else, and sometimes by talent also. I can't say that what is means. First, if anyone is saying love marriage is bad, then first define what is love.
My last speaker, whatever you said here about arranged marriage, because in arranged marriage both do not meet up to each other, don't spend a long time with each other. From due to this reason, both have take more time to know and understanding. They have no pressure that time, and they both are like each other. And for this reason, relationship become strong. And now, if you see the situation of love marriage both are know each other before a marriage, but after marriage they will fight to each other. That's why I can say that love marriage is not good as comparison of arranged marriage.
I do not agree with my last speaker who was saying in the first round that take an example of your parents. I think by passing time everything changes in the nature. That's why in ancient time, otherwise before this modern era, the girls and the boys were getting married at the age of, I think, at least 14 or 15. That's why they do not have understanding power that which kind of marriage will be better for us. But according to time, now the generation has been changing. We are getting married at the age of 18. Means the girls are getting married at the age of 18 years, and the boys are getting married after 21. That's why they have a better understanding power, that they have power that which girl, otherwise which boy would be better for us for our whole life. That's why I think that we should our mindset should be changed towards the marriage life. That in love marriage there is also a reduced chances of a dowry system. In arranged marriage, lots of dowry were asked by the bridegroom's family, and if the bride's family are not able to provide all the things, then they are tolerated their daughters, and even sometimes they fire them, and also it leads to death. That's why they are not leading a happy life. That's why I consider that. I also think that love marriage is a mutual relation between the bridegroom and bridegroom's family. That's why there is a good existence of the life, and it gives a good result of the life and a meaningful result of the life.
I totally don't agree with my last speaker. He is only saying about the love marriage. I have just asked that what is love. First, let me define love. Means if I talking about the love marriage, then we should know well known about the love. That what is the love? Because I know the love is nothing. Means not about from my way. It is a scenario that there means the word. What is the love? I can say I care about my parents. I think this is the love. If I care about any girls, this also can be love. Then if a husband care about his wife, this is also can be called a love. Then I can say arranged marriage means in arranged marriage the love is also exist.
Before sometimes my last speaker was saying that
So I can say that the love marriage is not good. Arranged marriage is the best because it is my own experience that what is the love. If a girls and the boys start liking each other, talking each other, chatting each other, and means after 5 months, 6 months, or 1 year, when girl is about to marry, Then boys ask, please marry me. I am coming at your home to talk to your friend. Oh no, please don't come at my home. Means you love me, so you have to think about my respect. Why will you come here? Yeah, I will talk to my parents about you. Then what you do?
It means
let me say what you do. You do nothing, and to whom I am getting married, he means he have a job. So I can say means what is this? This love, the love is being shifted to someone other.
So far as I know, my last speaker doesn't know the meaning of love. And before the first round, you were saying that if a person has a bike
That's
or
why
a
I'm asking. Let
smartphone,
me explain what is love.
I will definitely explain.
Yeah.
Before, sometimes you were saying that if a person has a smartphone, a bike, then the girls are attracted towards him, and she said that will you marry me, otherwise not. And I do not think that this kind of really love exists on this earth. The love doesn't mean that you are attracted by the economical status of your partner. It needs that there is attraction, there is a mutual relation, there is a responsibility before means towards each and everything, towards his family, towards his society. If you think that the girls do not always favor with the boys, that if they want to go away from their house, that she is getting married with a person who is a best economical background, then she will get married with him. I don't think that if a real love exists between both the partner, then this kind of accidents will definitely not happen. I just agree that they will get married with the mutual of their parents, of the bridegroom family and the bride's family.
According to your opinion, what do you think? Means how a love marriage is being according to your opinion, the love marriage is good, am I right?
Yeah.
So can you explain me how a love marriage can exist?
Yeah,
How?
in love marriage,
Yeah.
at first there would be a beginning relationship between two partners, and after the relationship, after a few years of spending with both of them, they will say to their parents that we want to get married, and if the parents agree that this is the right time to get married with means both of them, then they must get married at the same time when their parents agree that you should get married. That is a love marriage. Not the love marriage is the persons both who love and go away from their
I'm
house.
totally agree with you. You are saying that in the love marriage, they means having a relationship of at least more than 2 years, 3 years.
Yeah.
Am I right? They understand to each other. Am I right?
Yeah.
Then means from starting, how can it is started? What is the point from which is started?
It can be started from a positive view.
This one I have not done it. Means if I want to understand any girls, then from which means I can choose any girl. No, it is not chosen by anything else. It is chosen by the attraction to whom we get attracted, and after then we think that we should talk to him, and then I have to propose him that I like him, and after that we are talking to each other, getting mutual understanding, and if I think that this is the love, then this all can be happening in the arranged marriage also. Now, if parents say just go and talk to him, how is he, then the boys can start. Let me finish it. The same to the girls. Then it is also the option to understand each other, and after getting understand, they can marry or otherwise not. But if people think about only there, how it is possible? Because in India, culture, rituals, it is also very important.
In arranged marriage, you are only given a one option, that with a person you will have to talk. If you don't like him, otherwise if you don't dislike him, then you are compelled to get married with the person whom your parents have chosen for you. And so far as I consider about love marriage, there is means by the attraction we come to know about the people, not by only the attraction that she is looking good, otherwise she is looking smart and she is talking in a well manner. We are attracted by the positive views of his nature. That's we come to know that we are attracted by the some person, that he is really a perfect person with whom I can survive my whole life till the death. And she will definitely survive my parents and also me, and she will take care of the responsibility of my parents of mine.
I totally don't agree with my last speaker. Is on saying that about the understanding. If I say about the understanding, means the attraction comes by his behavior. It is all means I can say it is all the crap and nothing else. If I say about the behavior, means how can a girl for a girls how it is possible to choose a boys if they are in the classroom and there is a boy who is a very talented, then I can say I think he will start liking him. and after then he think means after then he think he should talk to him. This is the way of getting love to each other, and I can say that this is all the rubbish thing, and this and nothing else otherwise law of attraction.
I don't agree with my last speaker who said here what is love. Love is happen only due to property and only smartness. But here I am going to say him that at first he should know what is love. Love is a friendship, nothing else. And if a person do arrange marriage, then here is a big problem. Only is a dowry system. Due to dowry system, all should girls and boys do arrange marriage. And marriage is not a game of two dolls. On the contrary, marriage is a holy bond. And between two person, a man and a woman, it is regularly by law, rule, customs, beliefs, attitudes that prescribe rights and duties. And by the help of Indian Constitution of Article 21, we get that love marriage is right. And he said here that all person love after seeing. That means I like him. But we all are a child. But in our constitution, who makes the judge, he is not a child who give us permission to love marriage. That's why I can say that love marriage is better than arranged
Yeah, I
marriage.
completely agree with my last speaker, whatever she said here. If we think about society, then who will think about our feelings? Societies are not going to think about our feelings. If I will in trouble, then no any societies people will come in front of me and solve our problem. You are saying about Radha and Krishna, but you are not seeing the present example of love marriage, which is done by our biggest countries personalities like Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli. That's why I can say that the love marriage is better than the arranged
I
marriage.
also don't agree with my last speaker who said here about divorce that the case of divorce only we find in love marriage. But I want to say him that it is right that we find divorce only in love marriage. In love marriage, it is right because in love marriage they are able to take any decision in their relationship, because if they think that I am not able to run this relationship, that time they take these types of decision. But in arranged marriage we don't find any case of divorce, because in arranged marriage the partners can't take any decision because the family of their members forced to continue their relationship, and at least they run only a burden. So divorce is better than to run a burden. So in this condition, I can say that arranged marriage is not good to run a burden.
I don't agree with my last speaker who is saying that the case of rape and divorce is more in the arranged marriage, because it is a worst thing that it is saying that the case of rape of divorce is more in the arranged marriage. It is more in the love marriage. You know why? Because the love marriage is a marriage where people think about, they say about the broad mind, that we are broad mind. And about the Indian rituals, we are a common man. So we think if a marriage is done, then it is not for the 7 births, not only for the one. And if I have a broad mind, then I can think that the life is too short. We have to enjoy. If I am not able to enjoy with you, then I will go to someone else. I think this is the way to live in the society. I think this is not good. And according to a research by psychology, it is said that love in a love marriage tends to fade away with time, wherever love in the arranged marriage grows with the time. And if I say about the love marriage, and someone is saying about the article, that there is an article in our Indian constitution regarding the love marriage is legal. I just want to say when any act is out in our India to make something illegal, when means from ancient time, when it is said that it is not legal, means the people are not like it, means the people are not able to accept it. At that time, what does the politician need? They need votes, and from where they need votes from the peoples and for getting work they have to make them happy, and we all know that nowadays it is the era of modern, it is the era of youth, and there are more youth than the old one. So I can say we have to think about the youth, and what does the youth want? Youth want love marriage. That's why our article has been part that love marriage is illegal. I can't say that means after getting an article, after outing any article in the Indian Constitution, I can say it is legal. Yeah, it means in ancient time it is also was legal, but not about only legal, about the happiness, about the family respect, name, fame, whatever we have after getting love marriage. I don't think this all remains same. Whatever we are having. For getting more respect, we have to go through our rituals, tradition. Yeah, getting broad mind is good, but getting too much broad mind, I think it is harmful for us.
I totally disagree with my last speaker, who is only saying about this, just follow your tradition, your rituals. And I would just give me a permission to ask you a question: that do you really follow the all rules and regulations of the Indian customs and rituals? I think no. Then why you only repeating the things? If you say that an article is provided by the Indian Constitution that you are able to get married at the age of 18 or at the age of 21, then why don't you agree? If you also accept that there are more youths than the old ones, then why don't you agree that the youth wants love marriage and it's their needs, then we must fulfill their needs. And I think that would be better for our society and for our nation only. And if they are happy, then they will increase the economical background of the nation. Then what do we need? Only the increasement of the nation.
Means by getting love marriage.
Yeah, we can, because it gives us happiness. That's why we can increase we can get success in each and every field.
Here again a word comes out about the happiness. Means in the love marriage there is a lot of happiness. Means
yeah, I do agree.
No, and in the arranged marriage there is no any way to live a happy life.
There is a way, but by
there is not an easy way. There is the only way to live a happy life in the arranged marriage. Because whatever we are getting in the love, we can get it in the arrange. But whatever we are getting in arrange, we can't. We never get it in the love marriage.
Could you please give me some examples that what we are not getting in the marriage?
I can give by getting some of the celebrity example like Anushka and many more. I can't say the love marriage is a good. If we come on the reality, then we can talk about our neighborhoods which are living our neighbor. We can take example of them, because one of my relative who used to live in Jamshedpur, he was a circle inspector. He has two sons, and one of which the elder one is an engineer, and the younger one was he was a shopkeeper. He was owning a mall in the big bazaar of Jamshedpur. But the elder one get married by arrange. He has arranged marriage, and he is living very happy. But his younger brother get married, means he have a love marriage, and after getting love marriage, after 2 or 3 years, the girl is starting because they have met first time at their shop. The girls always used to tease them that if you will again meet someone other in the shop, then you will love to someone else. And now I can say, means last month they get divorced.
I think in arranged marriage we also meet with the person with whom we are compelled to get married. Then if you will also joke with him that you will definitely get married with the person with whom you meet on the same place on the same time, then what will you say? That he will get married? I think he won't, because it may be that would be a joke. Then we don't take it seriously.
But in the arranged marriage, it is not a job. Means it is a job, but in the love marriage it is not a job, because they have did it with their own happiness. They never ask to their parents that what should we do? We should do like this or not. But in arranged marriage, people think about it. They respect the opinion of their fathers, their parents.
Okay, then just respect your opinions of fathers and grandfathers, and do not live your life as the way you want.
Okay, conclude.